Day one of the Houston shoot. We're just rigging out the van to take it on the trip.
Oh shit. Yeah, this is what he's doing instead of carrying stuff. He's taking videos of me doing it.
Oh, hey, what's up? Friend Dave, we're gonna go for a really fun ride. Luckily, our friend Carson's here to make sure everything's nice and safe, because, you know, it's real dangerous out there on the road. So do we need to, like, get a manpower together to get this out? Oh, like they're stripped out? Metal drill bit.
Yeah.
No, we're not going for the angle grinders. We're going for these.
Going.
See what we
Getting that.
Did you get that?
Okay, hold on.
Look at that.
Oh, it's a dead cat right there. That's where the catfish came from. Dave can hold the camera and this thing, just throw it at him. This is a base plate for the red. That can go on the red.
Will this attach to that somehow? What kind of blue is that? Just making sure.
Warm and sunny outside? Gosh!
By golly.
It's perfect for some filming.
What you doing tomorrow?
I'll be out of town, but if you need to do some work over here, I got you, player.
I got a little troubleshooting job tomorrow at 9. I figure I'd come by and bang that out afterwards.
Bang it out. All right. I love you, bro.
You too, man.
Be safe on that bike, man.
Where's that?
I'm not getting my feelings hurt. Because first of all, I don't have feelings.
Getting really defensive right now.
If I was defensive, I'd be like Ray Lewis and put someone on that ass.
Real relaxed back here.
Don't stain my master's closet.
Yeah.
So, we're going to like a bank to make a deposit or something, and I look at the headlight from in front of the vehicle, and I'm like, yo, one of the headlights is out. And my good buddy Dave here had to fight to get the headlight in there. It was not very nice, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so, as some of you may or may not know, I just purchased this van today. And the reason that I purchased this van is because guys like Dave and Carson and I, we're always traveling and filming. Shots at $1 a day, we'd be doing that thing too. So, strangely enough, these sneaky Russians sold me this van, you know? And ja говорю по-русски, я gangsta говорю по-русски, да. Я не тупой американец, я но итальянец, if you speak Russian. And the reality is simple. I respect Russian cats, but these were some sneaky Russians. These were some sneaky Russians. Because, you know, my mom's, shouts to my mom's because she's a G. She always likes finding out what's wrong with shit. That's her thing, you know what I'm saying? So she comes with us. We're checking all this stuff out. Window motor don't work, radio don't work. Let's show the radio, Dave. Look at this, radio don't work. You know what I'm saying? One of the lights back there don't work.
Currently standing in a drive-thru because Carmel had to get the biggest van they make. The van wouldn't fit under that thing. That's a wrap.